Hey guys, this is Jensen with Red Rock Crawlers.
I'm Steven, Amp Jeep on Instagram, Rivero.
And today we're going to be installing some axle shafts. Bent shafts, a couple of bent shafts. We're going to get started.
This is a Carbon Offroad. It's a Dana 44 rear shaft for a non-Rubicon. We're just going to replace the factory shafts, which I bent. I'm having a little bit too much fun. We got a 15-year warranty and made in America, so hopefully they're pretty slick.
Yeah. Ugh. Not light.
Oh. We're just going to take these 18mm bolts right here that hold your caliper on. I like to use a breaker bar because I don't like buying ratchets. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right?
That's right.
Little rotor.
This is a good time to just give those brake pads a once-over.
Everybody's favorite. Everybody loves these things.
And by favorite, you mean
The exact
not
opposite.
favorite.
Yeah, I'm sure many curse words have been said to these guys. Remove that little guy right there. These little clips can be quite enjoyable as well. Go one last one right here. Sorry you got somebody so ugly working with you today, man.
Sorry, we're not. I don't think we're impressing anybody.
Just got that seal out. Just want to guide this through your emergency brake.
There it is. You want some gloves?
I guess that's too late now, huh?
Let's take a look at those.
Anything on the splines? This has been each one of these. You see how the spider gears, I guess, inside of the true track has kind of notched each one of these just a little bit. I don't know if you can see the difference on those splines.
Sometimes the bearing race doesn't come out with the bearing, so just make sure you get that out of there before you put the new shaft in. And just be careful putting that shaft in. You don't want to damage those seals inside.
Now it's like butter, huh?
Love the smell of gear oil in the morning.
Yeah. Makes you feel alive.
That's right.
Get that. Nice. I guess we'll just save up for the big brake kit, right?
Yeah, I guess so. Those are gonna be nice. Really nice to have, and then you can keep your old ones as spares.
Yeah.
Trail.
Throw one in the trail, throw one in the Jeep for
trail recovery.
Yep.
This side's all done. Just got to put the tire on and make sure it's still straight. Now it's basically just rinse and repeat.
That's going to come out a lot easier, huh?
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
It's hard to tell, but these things were definitely bent. I mean, it was a night and day difference between the before and after test.
Better clearance up front. And I want to obviously get rid of this big bumper.
Mm-hmm.
But again.
Okay.
Maybe I don't want to. It's too loud for the ears.
Too loud for you.
I want it loud.
That's the next install, is the train one.
Yeah.
Just about done. One more thing to install before we call this job complete.
Right there. Beauty.
Bye.
Bye.
I'll see you later.
Okay, I'll see you later.
I'll see you later.
Say that.
See you, Steve.